And of course, like all the speeches in Toastmasters, it cannot be a donut. It needs to have a definite opening, it needs to have a body and a conclusion. Though it can be sweet, it can be chewy, it can be something which you relish over a time, but you need to have these three basic things in there. Now, how did Pramukh start his speech? With a hug. I think that was the best way to start the session, spreading the cheer. Let's give it to Pramukh. I think that gesture took even the Santa by surprise. And of course, then he started the speech by asking a question. Do you want to hear a story? And how many of us would say, no, I'm okay with the monologue? No. We were all waiting for him to render a nice story. And did he not enchant us with a fantastic story? Talk about the little boy, his grandpa, and the very vivid description of how the hometown was, the kind of environment in which the boy lived with his grandpa, and then of course the grandpa giving him the coal basket challenge, and how did the boy take up the challenge, finally coming down to a great message of what books can do to you. Pramukh delivered the speech in a very soothing voice. It was very pleasant to listen to him, very melodious, the flow was absolutely top of the world. Good usage of words as well. Now, coming to the general purpose of the speech, I felt this is where he could have stressed on the general purpose a little bit more when he started with the question, do you want to hear about a story about a little boy who had this great enlightenment on what could clear out the cobwebs of one's own mind with a great message taught to him by his grandpa. Then suddenly the audience will start thinking, oh wow, I'm going to explain, there is something more coming in from the story. So start with a little more intrigue, and that gives out your general purpose. The specific purpose was very clearly met through the body of the speech. Again, coming to the conclusion, this is where I felt it was a little too soon. Probably you could have used great amount of vocal variety and pauses to let the audience know that we are coming to the end of the speech. Now, a great lesson to be taken from here is any story gets its punch from dialogues, timing, and pauses. This is one area probably I would like you to improve upon. However, you did it with very good eye contact, keeping all the audience enchanted throughout the speech, and a fantastic message. Cleansing waters of wisdom comes from books. Great job done, Pramukh. Back to you.